In this demonstration, we will add a site using the wizard. Sites can only be added at the customer level. In the left menu, click Actions and select Add Site. The Add Customer or Site wizard launches and has 3 tabs located at the top of the screen. Create a site, add devices, and manage devices. Begin by entering the company information. The Copy Defaults from Parent Customer toggle button copies the license type and network credentials from the SO or customer level. Select the license type, either Professional or Essential. Provide the network credentials for the site. The agents and probes use the credentials when running scripts, pushing software, and performing other administrative tasks. Click Save and Continue. The site is added and the view automatically updates to the site level. From here, install the Windows probe or add devices. Devices that have already been discovered can be assigned to the new site.